Okay, we're working on the 70 Super B, and I'm going to show you how to assemble and rebuild the caliper in about 2 or 3 minutes. So right here we have the original Kelsey Hayes calipers for the car. Here's one of them anyway. So this is being painted with caliper paint, and the piston's all cleaned up right here. See that KH stamp right there? That's pretty cool. So when you go to reassemble the calipers, here's going to be a real good trick to get it done in just a few seconds. Let me put the O-ring in. Trying to race the camera here. Give me a second. So you got to get that fit in there. Okay, we got the seal in here. Got the dust cover here. That goes in the groove, the second groove, or the first groove, depending on how you're looking at it. So let me fit that. Top groove, there you go. That's a little tricky. But this is a 70 Dodge. This applies to any caliper. 4 piston would be a little more tricky. But this is a single piston caliper, so it's pretty easy. Give me a second, get this thing seated. Because I have a trick here that's going to save you some serious time with some compressed air. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, show them the brake assembly lube that you have.
Yep, we're going to use this hydraulic brake assembly lube. You can get this off eBay, or I think I even got it off Amazon. Yeah, that particular one.
Or at your local parts store.
Yeah, good reviews on it and everything.
So you want to use that, right?
Really just a synthetic. Yeah.
You don't want to use regular brake fluid because
No, it's corrosive.
it will corrode because of the air that's in there
Yeah.
until you assemble the brakes.
Yeah,
I mean, unless you're going to redo everything right
run it
away.
around the outside. Get it down in the groove there real good. Yeah. Nice indeed.
All right, ready. I put some in here also.
All right.
It's all around the seal there
You do?
and everything. Okay, so drop that in there.
Let's see, it won't go. You're going to need to
We're going to do this.
push. It is pretty much a 2-person job.
You,
Okay.
you need to use this on your air nozzle. Back up, Erica.
Yeah.
Here's our air nozzle. You have your rubber adapter here that's going to seal. The bleeder screw is in there so that you're not going to lose air pressure there. And we're going to do this. Put that in there. You have to use your air to get the dust boot around the piston.
There it goes. Oh, let go. There it goes.
Good. Got it?
Yep, it's in there.
All right.
All the way around, popped up around it. Cool.
We're going to take your typical brake compressor tool for compressing pistons and put that across there, and we're going to push it down past the O-ring seal.
Forgot to back that off. I wasn't ready.
A little more.
Come here.
Come on now.
Yeah, hurry up. Put that bad boy in there.
We have brakes to install.
Nut on there. Start tying her down.
Push that sucker past the seal.
Get your rubber glue out of the way. And then just walk it right in there.
Okay, cool. It's over the dust cover now.
Yeah.
And then once we have that installed,
Popped up right in there. You'll have to bottom it out.
check that out.
Loosen that, pull it out. Ooh.
Okay, rubber piece of
Watch
wood. Now
this.
we're going to test it.
Now we're going to test it. Clear. My favorite part.
And see it works good now.
Yeah. Pretty
Oh,
cool.
there we go.
Good.
One more time.
Yeah.
Well, very
Boom.
cool, guys. I'm
Ready to
really
go.
impressed.
Ain't that
That's-
neat?
We have a
Very
brand new
cool.
rebuilt caliper for about $5 for a rebuild kit. That's the part number for a Chrysler single piston 70 and newer. Any other car you can figure it out. But this applies to all calipers.
Have fun.
Alto.